wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best folding bike locks. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The 6 joints that make up the agile-shop universal are tight and seamless to provide stout security and enhance its sleek appearance. It comes with 3 keys, so you're still in pretty good shape if you manage to lose the first 2. The rubber coating prevents scratches and it's super compact when folded. However, the key may not work in cold conditions. At number 9, the velo safety is constructed with thick alloy steel, so potential thieves will come away with nothing but feelings of frustration if they try to bend or break this thing. The mount is designed so that it won't dent or nick your bike frame. It comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee and works for scooters as well, but there are no mounting instructions included. Coming in at number 8 in our list. In addition to its strength and easy mounting mechanism, the sigtuna sturdy simply looks formidable, which can be enough to deter crooks in and of itself. The rigid hardened rivets are built to withstand attacks from thieves who are skilled with tools. It includes secure Velcro mounting straps and locks and unlocks very smoothly. However, it is rather heavy and bulky. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding bike locks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, a suitable option for low-risk areas, the bordo 5700 offers 4 designs to choose from to match your bicycle and personal style. It comes with a carrying sheath that you can attach to your bike or a backpack for easy transport. It can even fit into a pocket and sports bright colors for high visibility, but this one won't withstand bolt cutters. Moving up our list to number 6. Unlike many other folding options, the keys that come with the foldylock heavy duty are precisely cut from high quality metal, so you can be confident they'll stand the test of time. You can easily use this model to lock 2 bikes up at once. It's equipped with a tough scratch-resistant coating and doesn't rattle or shake. However, the included Velcro mount is weak. Halfway up our list at number 5. The exterior of the aderoace anti-theft is coated in rubber, which helps reduce noise that may occur as you're riding over bumpy surfaces. Although it's compact when folded, it becomes quite large when expanded, making it a highly versatile option. It features a durable aluminum alloy core, 3 spare keys, and a built-in tail light. At number 4, it should come as no surprise that the trelock steel makes some typical models look puny, as this beast can be used to secure motorcycles as well as bicycles. It comes with all the washers and screws necessary for installing the holder to the frame. It's a keyless combination lock design, with an extremely sturdy mounting bracket and an extra long 34-inch bar. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Even if you're traversing fairly uneven terrain, the mount that secures the seatylock chain to the frame will prevent it from shaking and rattling, which, as avid cyclists know, can be beyond irritating. It's suitable for use with any type of bike. It includes a carrying case and 2 vibrant decals. There are several colors to choose from. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding bike locks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you let the flexible design of the Rocky Mounts Hendrix lead you to believe it's not heavy duty enough to provide long-term protection, you're making a mistake. This is a product of sound engineering with a smooth locking mechanism that requires little effort. It folds up quickly and easily and weighs less than 2 pounds. It's resistant to both drilling and cutting. And coming in at number 1 on our list. Few would describe the bordo Granit X as lightweight, but then again, if you need something to secure your bike in a busy metropolitan area, a lighter option won't suffice. Good luck to anyone trying to hack through this thick, rust-resistant hunk of metal. It's made from hardened steel, yet generates minimal noise while riding. One of the 2 included keys features an LED light. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding bike locks, or simply click beneath this video.